Hey there, maintenance pros. Today I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of keeping perfect inspection and testing records. This is crucial for ensuring that everything runs smoothly and safely. Let's break it down step by step. First up, let's talk about. You want to store all your inspection records in the electrical office within the planned maintenance system. Why? Because it makes accessing and tracing these records a breeze. No more scrambling to find that one elusive document. It's all right there at your fingertips. Next, we have. This needs to be meticulously organized within handbooks, the planned maintenance system, and the test form record ledger. Keeping everything in its place ensures thorough record keeping. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you need to reference these documents. Now, let's talk about testing data should be kept in the electrical department's ship packs. This way you have comprehensive records across all maintenance activities. It's like having a detailed history book of all your hard work. Moving on to there are three main stages you need to be aware of: receiving inspection and testing, in-process inspection and testing, and final inspection and testing. 1. When new equipment or components arrive, inspect and test them right away. Document everything to ensure they're up to standard before they even enter the system. 1. This helps catch any issues early on. Again, document each step to keep a running log of what's been done. 1. Make sure everything is working perfectly before signing off. Record these final checks as a cherry on top of your meticulous documentation process. Finally, let's talk about. It's crucial to document all steps to maintain a complete history of the maintenance process. This creates a transparent and traceable record that's invaluable for future reference. So, to wrap up, store your inspection documents in the electrical office within the planned maintenance system. Organize your testing documents in handbooks, the planned maintenance system, and the test form record ledger. Keep your testing data in the electrical department's ship packs. Follow the stages of receiving, in-process, and final inspection and testing. And remember, document everything. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your inspection and testing records are impeccable. Thanks for